a difference.
Hey guys, it's your girl and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you with a unboxing fresh out of the box. This is a wig, 613 wig. So let's open it up. It comes in a little DHL packaging just like this. Comes in a cute little black box like this. As you can see, this is a Dolago wig. Looks like this. Back of the box looks like this. Let's see what's in here. There's nothing inside here. Let's open this up. So it has this. It's a care instructions for your wig and sewing extensions. Just like that. And then there's this cute little card. Comes with a wig cap. This is too dark for me, so I'm not going to use this. And comes with a band. It's going to be useful. Nothing else in the box. No lashes. I wasn't going to use them anyway, but this is the wig. I'm going to have to pull up the website to see the beats on the wig because I cannot remember. So it came with a little paper in to keep the shape of the wig. This is the wig, honey. Yes, Barbie, yes. This is the inside of the wig. I'm going to cut these combs out because I don't usually use these. So, this is the inside of the wig. This is the back. It's soft. I got plans for this wig, honey. Plans. So it has parting space in the back. There's a comb in the back as well as the adjustable strap. 3 combs in the front, so 4 combs in total. I think it's a 360 frontal. Of course, the knots are already going to be bleached because it's a blonde wig. It's already pre-plucked. It's kind of thin in the front, but I guess that'll help it look natural. Alright, let's pull up the beats on this wig. This is a 20-inch 613 straight 360 lace front wig. It's 180 in density. Like I said, I got this from Dolago Wigs. Well, Dolago hair store. And what I'll do is I'll insert the link down below in the description of this. It's 613. It's straight. Katie was the person that maintained contact with me throughout. Before they sent the wig, they confirmed the address to make sure they were shipping it to the right place and that it was what you wanted. That 3 to 5 shipping days. I believe I got this on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't been home, so it was here waiting on me. I believe it came on Wednesday. I ordered on Sunday or something like that, but I got it pretty fast. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to see in the light because, you know, like some blonde wigs, they're so light in density, like you can see the tracks in the back, but I can kind of see right here. But what I'm going to do is, and I'll make sure I video it, what I am going to do is I'm not going to keep it this color. I mean, even though it's not a bad color, I'm not going to keep it this color. I'm going to darken my roots, not black. I think that blonde hair with black roots is very tacky. So I'm going to do like a brownish kind of color. So even if you could see the tracks through the wig, which I really can't, It's pretty thick. She's thick. She's pretty thick, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to darken the roots. Get some color and, or I mean, I didn't even use color. I may just use the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo that takes out the brassiness in it, and I think it's going to turn probably like a silver color. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to do. But that is it. This is the wig. Like I said, I will bring you guys along when I get ready to dye this wig. But that is it, guys. This is my Dolago wig. And I'll make sure that the link is down below. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're interested in more videos or if you want to know what's going to happen or how this wig turns out. So, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.
I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot.